I'm Sam Wilson, owner of Wilson Plant. We're based in Crondall, Hampshire, near Farnham. So we run tippers, grab lorries. We've got a recycling centre here where we process soil, aggregate and green waste. We purchased this Edge S16 Scalper screener. We like the machine's very robust. It's got a good throughput. So this S16 is got a 4 foot longer screen box than our previous 3-way screener. We believe we're getting a 40% more throughput through this machine and probably using the same amount of diesel. Red Knight 6 have been very good bunch of lads to deal with. Their backup's good and they carry a huge amount of spares. So yeah, so far been a very good experience. Joe was really good with his engineering background and just wanted to make sure that we were getting it right. And this machine definitely is the tool for us. So Red Knight 6 took me to the Edge factory at the end of last year, which I was very impressed looking around their factory, and actually did the deal on this machine in March at the ConExpo in Las Vegas. So I've been really impressed with this S16 from Edge. This machine has been very good for us, and I'd highly recommend it to other operators that are processing the similar to material to what we are.